अस्सलाम वालेकुम बाबर टीवी के मुअज़्ज़िज़ नाज़रीन, अमेरिका में जज ने कोर्ट रूम में मुल्ज़िम वालिद के साथ आए 5 साल के मासूम बच्चे से फैसला करने को कहा। बच्चे के वालिद पर कार पार्किंग करने को लेकर ट्रैफिक की खिलाफ वर्जियों का इल्ज़ाम था। जज ने बच्चे से पूछा, मैं तुम्हारे वालिद पर $90 का जुर्माना लगाऊं या $30 का जुर्माना लगाऊं या बगैर जुर्माना लगाए जाने दूं? तो वीडियो देखें 5 साल के बच्चे ने क्या जवाब दिया।
All right, Jacob, how old are you?
5.
Okay, do you go to school yet? No,
Not
September.
real school.
Not really?
September. He starts kindergarten in September.
Do you have any idea what you want to do when you get to be a little older, like when you graduate from school?
A cook.
A cook? Never just said a cook?
Yeah, me and my dad worked at a pizza place. Me and my dad are great cooks.
Yeah? Okay. What do you think you'd like to cook? What would be the best? What do you like the best?
Pizza?
Well, so far you're doing pretty good. I am having trouble with this case because I have a situation where your dad is charged with parking on a street up on the east side, and I have 3 choices. I can fine him $90, I can charge him $30, or I can charge him nothing. What do you think I should do?
30.
30. So you're a pretty good judge. Now, there's an old story about King Solomon, who everyone quotes, and King Solomon was all powerful, and usually he would split the difference. You know, he'd pick a middle road, and that's exactly what you did, and that's a very logical way to think. Is there anything better than 30, you think?
None.
None? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Have you had breakfast yet?
No.
No. Well, suppose I make a deal with your dad, okay? And the deal is that if you take you out for breakfast, then I'll dismiss the ticket. What do you think about that? Like that?
नाज़रीन, हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो हमारे चैनल बाबर टीवी को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलें और हमारे वीडियोस को शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों के साथ। शुक्रिया।